Today, we are diving into something kind of radical. It's a whole new playbook for building a business in the age of AI. This comes straight from Alex, the founder of Higgsfield, and it's a guide to hitting $1 million in revenue in just 90 days. Seriously. So you might want to forget everything you think you know about startups because the rules have completely changed.
So this is the big claim right here. It sounds nuts, doesn't it? $1 million business in 1 quarter with a team you could probably fit in your car. It's a huge statement, for sure, but it is backed by a very specific strategy that is totally redefining what's possible. And that's the $1 million question, isn't it? I mean, it flies in the face of all the old rules about venture capital. You know, those multi-year roadmaps, the massive engineering teams. The answer, though, it lies in a huge shift in how we can build and launch products now. All right, so first, let's get into the why behind this whole blueprint. We're not just talking about some new tool or a neat little app. We're talking about a fundamental shift in the world, what Alex is calling a new gold rush. You gotta love these metaphors, right? Industrial revolution, that tells you just how massive this change is. But social elevator, now that is the really key idea here. Think about it. Just like competitive programming could launch a whole career a decade ago, Alex thinks AI is the new fast track for talented people to just create insane value, no matter where they come from. And this slide just lays it all out, black and white. The old way was this long, slow marathon of raising money and building forever. But the AI way? It's a sprint. It is all about speed, tiny teams, and get this, building a profitable business right from the get-go, not years down the line. Okay, so what's the actual game plan? Let's break down this 90-day blueprint. It really boils down to 2 main things: having a very specific kind of team and working on an incredibly aggressive timeline. First up, the team. And look, it's not just any 2 people. You need what Alex calls an AI duo. The builder isn't just some coder. This is someone who can take an idea and turn it into a working product in a single day. And the go-to-market person, they aren't your typical marketer. They have this deep, almost natural feel for how ideas catch fire and spread online. And this timeline just shows you the insane pace. Step 1 is finding the team. Okay, but look at step 2. Make your first dollar by day 30. The most important thing here is that making money isn't some fuzzy goal for the future. No, it's baked in from the very beginning, and it's all driven by shipping updates every single day. So this all sounds great in theory, but did it actually work? Well, let's take a look at how Higgsfield used this exact playbook on themselves. Their own story is pretty much a masterclass in this. Yeah, it's really important to know they didn't just start with a smash hit. Back in early 2024, their main app was actually struggling, big time. Users just weren't sticking around. They were at a real make-or-break moment, and what they did next changed everything. They went looking for answers, but they didn't run some huge survey or poll thousands of people. Nope, they just talked to 8 people. 8. Forget big data. This was about deep, focused listening with a very small, very specific group of potential users. And here's the kicker. The feedback was unanimous. Every single one of them said the same thing. From top-tier Hollywood directors all the way to regional producers, everyone was running into the exact same problem with AI video tools. They all needed better, more precise camera controls. The signal couldn't have been any clearer. This timeline shows that blueprint in action. They had the failing app in February, they listened and shipped the solution in March, and then by June, this whole new market of AI-native agencies, these small, nimble companies built around AI, just exploded. And because Higgsfield had already solved their #1 problem, they were sitting in the perfect spot to capture it all. Okay, so this all leads to the elephant in the room, right? It's awesome that you can build something fast, but what happens when the giants, we're talking Google, OpenAI, Meta, decide to play in your sandbox? This is probably the #1 fear for anyone trying to build an AI right now. How on earth do you even start to compete when multi-trillion-dollar companies are chasing the same thing? Well, Alex actually has a surprisingly simple 3-part strategy for this. First off, find a niche. The big guys have to build for billions of people. You don't. You can focus on a super specific industry with a super specific problem, like that property management company Alex talks about that needs to automate its customer service. Second, you stay cash flow positive. That's your shield. It gives you freedom. And third, you focus on high-value customers, not just getting millions of users. And to make that real,
Alex actually tracks a specific number, $2,000 per month from a customer. Hitting that target forces you to deliver so much value that your product basically becomes essential. It's a total shift from chasing clicks and likes to chasing real, measurable impact for customers who are more than happy to pay for it.
So, we've covered the why, the what, and the how. Now for the most important bit. What can you actually do today to get started in this new world? It's easy to feel kind of overwhelmed with how fast everything is changing, but Alex argues that the first step isn't about, launching a company tomorrow. It's about fundamentally changing how you interact with this tech every single day. So here's your homework assignment. Start using the best AI models for hours every single day. The point isn't just to get your work done faster. It's to build an intuition, like a sixth sense for what AI is great at, and where it falls flat. For Alex, his aha moment was when AI became his personal storytelling coach. You've got to go find your own.
Look, at the end of the day, this playbook is about more than just a business plan. It's a whole new mindset for a new revolution. The tools are here, the playing field is being leveled, and it has never been cheaper to just try something new. The biggest risk isn't that you'll fail, it's that you'll just sit on the sidelines and watch.